Hey guys, welcome to Drawing Art Fun and Enjoy. Today we're going to draw everyone's favorite Pikachu. First, we'll draw Pikachu's eyes and a large oval shape for Pikachu's adorable face. Make sure to leave some space on top for the hat later. Don't worry if it's not perfect, Pikachu is all about having fun. Next, let's draw Pikachu's small cute body, then curve them to form Pikachu's round belly. Draw 2 short arms on each side, and don't forget his tiny feet. Next, draw a zigzag line coming out from Pikachu's back, and make it nice and big. It should look just like a lightning bolt. On top of Pikachu's head, draw a slightly curved line to show the brim of the hat. Then, draw the top of the hat by making a half circle that wraps around the head. Add a little button at the top to complete the cap. Make sure it's nice and big so Pikachu looks extra stylish. Now, let's add Pikachu's long, pointy ears. Draw 2 tall triangles on top of Pikachu's head. Each ear should tilt slightly outward. Time to bring Pikachu to life with some color. Grab your yellow marker or crayon and color in Pikachu's body. Color in the red hat to make Pikachu's look pop. You can even add shadows or highlights to make it stand out. And don't forget the black tips on his ears. Make his cheeks bright red. Don't forget to share your awesome Pikachu drawings in the comments. You can also leave a comment below for your suggestion drawing, and we will try to draw in our next video. See you in next video.